So welcome to Pbteck, and in this video I'm going to give you the details that you need to actually track friend channels. So when you talk of friend channels and you are in West Africa, we are actually referring to the MyTV channels or the MyTV platform. So whenever someone is requesting for the friend channels, you have to install the MyTV channels, which comes along with most channels that you're going to find in francophone countries. Alright, so the MyTV, the TP that you can use to track the unique one will be 10804 horizontal TTK. The TP will be on your screen, and with a satellite dish you can use a dish ranging from 50 centimeters upwards. Any satellite dish from 50 centimeters will probably get you a stable signal. And you're gonna find them on the northeast 16 degrees. So all you got to do is to turn your dish to face northeast. If you have a compass, that will be very helpful for you to know your northeast really fast, and adjust your dish to get a stable signal more than 60%. Then with the channels, we have multiple channels on it, but you have to perform blind scan to actually get all the channels available, and you have to get a stable signal more than 60% to actually get almost all the channels that is available or near their platform. So that's it. If you find this video helpful and when you all you got to do is subscribe, you hit the bell icon, and you keep coming back for more. Thanks for watching.